Welcome to Growth Hacks. Today's topic LCM, least common multiple, and LCM applications. LCM of 624 and 936. Write 624 and 936. Both are even numbers, so both are divisible by 2. In 6, 2 goes 3 times. In 2, 2 goes 1 time. In 4, 2 goes 2 times. And in 9, 2 goes 4 times. 8, 9 minus 8, 1. In 13, 2 goes 6 times. 12, 13 minus 12, 1. In 16, 2 goes 8 times. Now again, both are even numbers, so they are divisible by 2. In 3, 2 goes 1 time, 1 into 2, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. In 11, 2 goes 5 times, 5 2s are 10, balance 1. In 12, 2 goes 6 times. In 4, 2 goes 2 times. In 6, 2 goes 3 times. In 8, 2 goes 4 times. Again, these two are even numbers, so we are dividing it by 2. In 15, 2 goes 7 times, 7 2s are 14, balance 1. In 16, 2 goes 8 times. In 2, 2 goes 1 time. In 3, 2 goes 1 time, 1 2 is 2. 3 minus 2, 1. In 14, 2 goes 7 times. Now, this is even, this is odd. Okay? So, in both 2 won't go. Let me check for 3 table. 7 plus 8, 15 is a multiple of 3. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9. 9 is also a multiple of 3. So I take 3 table. 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6, 1. In 18, 3 goes 6 times. In 11, 3 3s are 9, 11 minus 9, 2. In 27, 9 times. In 26 and 39, 13 goes, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39. So both of them do not have any common factor. So we shall finish off this LCM. Take the first prime number, 2 into 2 goes 1 time. 3 is not divisible by 2, so bring down 3. And I take 3, bring down 1, 3 divided by 3, 1. Till you get 1, 1, you keep doing the common prime factorization. So, now the LCM of these two numbers are the least common multiple. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now here 2 3s are 6. Now we get 24 into here 6 into this 13. So 24 into 6 3s are 18, 1 balance, 1 6 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So we must multiply 24 into 78. 4 8s are 32, 3 balance, 2 8s are 16 plus 3, 19. 4 7s are 28, 2 balance, 2 7s are 14 plus 2, 16. 2, 9 plus 8, 17, 1 balance, 8, 1. The LCM of 624 and 936 is 1872. The meaning is that 624 can divide 1872 completely, or 1872 is completely divisible by 624 and 1872 is completely divisible by 936. LCM is their common multiple. In other words, we can say LCM is their common dividend. Second sum, LCM of 75, 250, 225, 525. All these numbers end either in 5 or 0. So 5 is the common factor of all these numbers. So 75, 250, 225, 525. So I am going to divide all these numbers by 5. So in 75, 5 goes 1 time, 5, 7 minus 5, 2. 25, 5 goes 5 times. In 25, 5 goes 5 and put this extra 0. In 225, 22, 5 goes 4 times. 20 balance 2. In 25, 5 goes 5 times. Now, in 525, in 5, 5 goes 1 time. In 2, 2 is less than 5, so put a 0. Again, now in 25, 5 goes 5 times. Now again, all these numbers end in 5 or 0. So 5 is their common factor. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 50 divided by 5 is 10. 45 divided by 5 is, in 45, 5 goes 9 times. 9 5s are 45. In 105, 5 goes 21 times. Now see, in all the 4 numbers, there is no common factor. But 3, 9, 21, all these are divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3, 1. But 10 is not divisible by 3, so bring down 10 as such. Don't try to divide. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. And for all these, there is no common factor. So I try to finish off one by one. 2, 10, 2 goes 5 times. Bring down 3, bring down 7 because they are not divisible by 2. And finish it off one by one. Take 5, 5 divided by 5, 1. Bring down 3, bring down 7. And in 3, 3 goes 1 time. Bring down 7. And last, in 7, 7 goes 1 time. So till you get 1, 1, 1 in all the cases, you just keep on doing. So the LCM is 5 5s are 25. Now I'll take easy groups. 2 5s are 10. 25 into 10, 250. First group I get into, this is 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. Now we shall multiply 250 into 63. 0 3 is 0, 5 3s are 15, 1 balance, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 0 6 is 0, 5 6 are 30, 3 balance, 2 6 are 12 plus 3, 15. 0 5 7 5 1. So the answer is, the LCM is 15,750, which means this 15,750 is the common multiple or common dividend of all these numbers. We can say 15,750 is completely divisible by 75, 250, 225 and 525. Determine the lowest natural number which when divided by 16, 28, 40 and 77 leaves remainder 8 in each case. So divided by, we are going to take a number and that number when divided by 16, that number when divided by 28 or that number divided by 40 or that number divided by 77. In all these cases you get remainder 8. So that number must be divided by these numbers. So these are their divisors. So the number which we are going to find is the dividend. When you want to find the dividend, find LCM. So LCM is equal to, we'll take 16, 28, 40, 77. First of all all of them do not have a common factor. So 16, 28, 40, all these are even numbers. So I divide them by 2. 8 times, 14 times, 20 times. 77 is not divisible by 2. So bring down 77. Now again, first 3 numbers are even. Divide them by 2. 4, 7, 10, 77. Again you see 2 numbers are divisible by 2. So take 2, 4 divided by 2, 2. 7 is not divisible by 2. So bring down 7. 10 is divisible by 2, 5. 77 is not divisible by 2. Bring down 77. Now 2 numbers are divided by 7. Bring down 2 because 2 is not divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 5 is not divisible by 7. Bring down 5. 77 less 7 goes 11 times. So no more common factors. So we shall finish it off. Take 2. 2 goes into 1 time. Bring down 1. Bring down 5. Bring down 11 because they are not divisible by 2. Now take 5. 1. 1. 5 goes in 5. 1 time. Bring down in 11. Bring down 11. Now take 11. 1. 1. 1, 11 goes in 11, 1 time. So we got all 1, 1. So we are stopping here and the LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 10 7s are 70. So here I got 70 into here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 into 11. With this I multiply 11, 8 11s are 88. When I multiply 88 and 70, I will just multiply with 7 and add 0. 8 7s are 56, 5 balance, 8 7s are 56 plus 5, 61. Now put 1 0 because there is a 0 here. Actually, the LCM of these numbers is 6160, which means 6160 is completely divisible by 16, 28, 40 and 77. Here they are saying as after division you will get a remainder 8. So the required number is add the remainder. The required number is equal to, you add a remainder to the LCM. LCM plus remainder, which is 6160 plus remainder 8, you will get 6168. So when you divide 6168 by 16, or when you divide 6168 by 28, or when you divide 6168 by 40 or 77, in all these cases you will get the remainder 8. Fourth question, the students in a class can be divided into groups of 2, 3, 5 and 6. What is the least number of children this class can have? The meaning of this question. A particular number of students in a class. A class may have a number of students. Those students can be divided into groups of 2. When you divide the children into two groups, you will get equal number of students in each group. When you divide the students into 3 groups, you will get equal number of students in each of the group. You can also divide the class into 5 groups. You can also divide the class into 6 groups. Okay. So which means the number of students in the class can be divided by 2. The number of students in the class can be divided by 3. The number of students in the class can be divided by 5 and 6. So we can conclude that 2, 3, 5 and 6 are the divisors and the number of students in the class is their common dividend or their common multiple. So we can find their LCM. So in this case we will find the LCM. So LCM of 2, 3, 5 and 6. When you take LCM divided by 2, 2 goes into 1 time, 3 is not divisible by 2, so bring down 3, 5 is not divisible by 2, so bring down 5, in 6 2 goes 3 times. Again take 3, bring down 1, 3 divided by 3, 1, 5 is not divisible by 3, so bring down 5, 3 divided by 3, 1. Now divide by 5, 1, 1, 5 divided by 5, 1, 1. So the LCM is 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So the number of students in the class, students is equal to 30. Now you check, 30 can be divided by 2. When you divide 30 into 2 groups, you will get 15 students in each group. Suppose if you are dividing 30 into 3 groups, you will get 10 students in each group. Suppose you are dividing 30 by 5, you will get 6 students in each group. You are dividing 30 by 6, you will get 5 students in each group. So we can conclude that 2, 3, 5, 6 are common divisors. When divisors are given, we must find dividend. To find dividend, we must take LCM. This is the correct concept. Fifth question. Determine the two numbers nearest to 10,000 which are exactly divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Numbers which are divisible by. So these are divisors. So when divisors are given, we must find their dividend. So to find dividend, we will take LCM. Let's take the LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So first we are solving this side. Exactly divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. Which number is exactly divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7? We will take their LCM. 2 table, 1 time, bring down 3. In 4, 2 goes 2 times, bring down 5. In 6, 2 goes 3 times, bring down 7. Now, I will finish off 2. 1, bring down 3, in 2, 2 goes 1 time, bring down 5, bring down 3, bring down 7. Now again we shall finish off 3, 1, 3 divided by 3, 1, 1, bring down 5, 3 divided by 3, 1, bring down 7. Now finish off 5, 1, 1, 1, 5 divided by 5, 1, 1, 7. That's all. Finish off 7 also, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 7 divided by 7 is 1. So the LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 67s are 420. So we can conclude that 420 is exactly divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now come back to the question. Determine the two numbers which are nearest to 10,000 which are exactly divisible by 420. We can replace these numbers by 420 because these numbers divide 420. So which means 420 is the number they are targeting. So determine two numbers which are nearest to 10,000 and which are divisible by 420. Okay. So the nearest number, we are going to nearest numbers, two numbers, that is one number below 10,000, one number above 10,000. So we will find out below 10,000 number which is divisible by 420. 10,000 divided by 420. Our target is find a number below 10,000 divisible by 420. Why divisible by 420? Because these numbers divide 420. So 420 divides that particular exact number. So in 1000, 420 goes 2 times. 840, 0, 6, 9 minus 8, 1. Bring down another 0. Now 420 goes, just check, 420 into 4 is bigger than this. Yes. So 3 times 0, 6, 4 3s are 12. 0, 4, 5 minus 2, 6, we have given 1 here, so 5 minus 2, 3. 340. The remainder is 340, which means 340 is excess in 10,000. If we subtract 340 from 10,000, then that number will be exactly divisible by 420. So subtract 10,000 minus 340, because 340 is excess here, more here, minus, we can borrow, so you will get like this. You borrow 1 here, 10 on giving 9, 10 on giving 9, 10. 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 3, 6, and bring down 9. So 9,660. 9,660 is the number which is exactly divisible by 420, or we can also say 420, okay? So we can also say 9,660 is exactly divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So one number is less than 10,000. We shall find the number which is more than 10,000. So again 10,000 divided by the LCM 420. So again we will get 23 times 2 times 840, same division, right? So we will get 160, bring down this 0. So 3 times 1260, you will get remainder 340. So here we need a number more than 10,000 which is exactly divisible by 420. So 420 minus 340. Because how much more is needed to complete 420? To complete 420, how much must be added to this 340? See here, 420 minus 340. 0, 3, 12, 12 minus 4, 8. So 80 more is needed to get one complete 420, okay? So I'll add this here, 10,000 plus 80. So 10,080. So two numbers which are near 10,000 are, one number is 9,660 and another number is 10,080. These two numbers are divisible by 420. And that 420 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can say that these two numbers are also divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So two numbers which are near 10,000 and which are exactly divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are 9,660 and 10,080. That's all. Thanks for watching.